Hello everyone, welcome to RoboTech Innovate. Today we are building a simple yet essential Arduino project, blinking of an LED. If you're new to electronics or just starting with Arduino, this is the perfect project to learn the basics of coding and circuits. So now let's get started. So, in this project, we will require an Arduino Uno and a blue LED or any type of LED you want, but I would prefer to use blue LED because it is bright and can handle 5 volt, meaning higher voltages rather than green and red or other LEDs. So let's start off with the connections. So in this LED you can see a long rod and a short rod. So the long rod means anode or positive pin, and the short rod means cathode or the negative pin. So the long rod will be connected to any digital pin of this Arduino, and the short rod will be connected to the GND. You can connect this LED to any pin or in this any digital pin of this Arduino, but I'm choosing 13 pin as there is GND pin right next to it, so it will be easy connecting this LED to the Arduino. So now, as you can see, I have connected the long rod to the 13 pin and the short rod to the GND. So now let's start with the coding. And also let me tell you one more thing, that you can connect to any digital pin, but you need to use a breadboard which can be of any type. You can use a long breadboard or short, so you will have to use wires to connect to any digital pin. But if you do not want any wire problems, so you can connect this to 13 pin like I have connected. So now let's move on. And this is a very simple code. In the beginning, I have defined the pin as 13, the LED pin as 13. You can change the pin if you are connected to another pin of the Arduino, like for example 7. Let me change this. Now let's talk about the voice setup. So code written in the voice setup runs only once. So I have written pinMode, pin comma output. So here I have set the pin mode to output, meaning it will give output through the LED. So now let's talk about void loop. So code written in this in void loop runs in a loop, meaning it runs forever. So now let's talk about the code written in it. So it is digitalWrite a pin comma high. So it means that the LED will turn on when the pin is now in high mode. Then there will be a delay of 1 second. Then the digital write will be set to low, meaning the LED will turn off. Then there is a delay of 1 second again. Then it goes back to the top and then runs in a loop. If you have problem writing high and low, so you can write instead of high and low 1 and 0. It means the same and will work correctly. So now let me upload the code. So I have uploaded the code. So now as you can see, the LED has started to blink. It turns on, then takes a 1 second delay, then turns on again, then turns off. And this continues in a loop. You can change the delay from here as well. Like for example, I want 500 milliseconds delay, which is half of a second. So I will upload the code, and then you will see that there will be a half of a second delay. So now as you can see, now the blinking has been fast forwarded, meaning in type of it is now blinking very fast. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you liked this project. Please like, share and subscribe, and wait for the next video.